The following portion of the Arizona Daily Mix is sponsored by Spencer's TV and Appliance.
Spencer's TV and Appliance is always looking for ways to give back to their community and their customers. And this year they are excited to be crowning their 4 millionth customer.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
I know, crazy. Last week I spoke to Spencer's TV and Appliances president and the grand prize winners. I'll tell you, standing in Spencer's at this time of year is always fun because it's when Spencer's gifts a group of people some awesome gifts for just shopping at the store. Rick, this is amazing. Another year. How many years have you guys been doing this?
Oh my goodness, it's been at least 15 years.
Yeah, this is great. And why do you do this?
Well, part of it is to give back and just to thank every single person for being a customer and to let them know that we appreciate them.
Yeah, what I love is that some of the people that have won didn't realize that they were actually going into a drawing. They just came to get something and they're walking away with another gift.
That's right, yeah. And so we actually randomly picked somebody else out too that didn't even have to buy anything. So we have 4 winners. One of them came through our regular, just walking in the store and putting their name in a bucket.
That is awesome. Okay, so what does the grand prize winner win?
The grand prize winner wins a brand new Cafe GE kitchen of their choosing that's going to match up with the rest of their house. So this person picked out all black stainless with copper handles. It's going to look fantastic when they get in their house.
Oh my gosh, I know we're going to meet the winners in just a minute, but I got to talk to you about Spencer's and how they are here for the community, and that's what it's all about when you come into the store.
We sure tried to be. Yeah, we've been here for 53 years now, and we do this every single year because we just want to let people know that we appreciate them as customers, and we've built it from a very small company into one of the largest appliance companies in the United States.
Yeah, I know we're standing in the Camelback Area 1, but pretty much you can go to any Spencer's and you get put into this drawing.
Yes, yeah. So yeah, during the spring every single year, if you buy something from Spencer's, you're automatically enrolled in the thing and have a possibility of winning a brand new kitchen.
Oh man, this is awesome. Well, I'm gonna go meet the winners of this year's Spencer's Big Giveaway. Standing here with the grand prize winners, Kate and Richard. How amazing is this that you stepped into Spencer's to purchase what at first?
A washer and dryer.
And now you're walking away with amazing, how can we say, a remodel almost.
Yeah, it's a whole kitchen. I mean, crazy.
So, and this is great, Richard, because you were thinking about actually giving her a gift of a whole kitchen, weren't you, at one time?
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah.
So what I love is that, you know, when you step into Spencer's, you're always getting gifts on deals and different things here. But this was really cool. So you need a washer and dryer. You walked in, and were you expecting this, or were you kind of like, wow, did you even know the contest was going on?
I saw the flyer, like, kind of there, but, you know, that wasn't even in my mind.
Our goal was to get a washer and dryer.
That was it?
Yeah, we were going in to get a washer and dryer. It wasn't because of the deal or anything like that.
So, and now you got it. And now, the kitchen. Were you wanting to redo the kitchen, or now are you excited to redo the kitchen?
Now I'm excited to redo the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. Yeah, it'll be a nice upgrade for what we have, for sure.
So now, do you get to pick things out, or they already have it all picked out for you?
We get to pick out from the Cafe series, so it's a certain brand, and then we get to pick out what we want.
The way the accessories are and everything, it's neat to we can kind of pick and choose the trims and stuff on it, so it'll be fun.
I like that. Look at that. See, you thought he was going to want something that you're like, what? We can't put that in the, but like an easy chair recliner, a big screen TV.
No. None of that in the kitchen. Nope.
Well, congratulations, you two. And there you are. Again, some amazing winners thanks to Spencer.
Wow, what lucky winners to receive a new kitchen, Brad.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? Well, Lexi, everyone is a winner at Spencer's TV and Appliances, with it being Memorial Day weekend, because they have some great kitchen packages.
Oh, yeah. Well, they're doing great deals on Frigidaire, Whirlpool, Maytag, and Samsung.
Yeah, just head over to spencerstv.com to find the nearest location to you.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored by Spencer's TV and Appliance.